Welcome back to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video I'm going to share you about the new some of the feature Microsoft has included in Microsoft Intune. As you can see in Microsoft in on my screen right here, if you go to the devices section here, you will see the device query. So you may be seeing in your Intune console as well, and this feature actually is very useful, right? So if you are managing your Windows devices or Mac devices through Microsoft Intune, you may be not able to query the devices if the devices is not responding. So you can see, we have the options to query your devices from Microsoft Intune. You just put the PowerShell script here and you can run it and it will query. So you can see the explore devices in your tenant based on the devices app and management policy. So query cache data for properties, configure for storage in your properties catalog. Policy, query string, query using the properties provided or write custom KQL. If you want to learn more about the device query, you can always go and read this article, and what actually so devices query actually allow you to read quickly, gain on-demand information from the state of the devices. Like if your device are not responding or non-compliant or something health status is not good, you can query and get the current state of your devices. So when you enter a query on a selected devices query run as a query in real time. The data returned can then be used to respond to security threats or troubleshoot the devices or make business decisions as well. The pre-requirement is you must have the advanced analytics add-on and Microsoft Intune suite as well. To use this query on your device must be enrolled. Of course, you cannot opt out of the cloud notification, and for users to use the devices query, you must assign the manage devices query permissions to them as well. Devices must be in tune and corporate on, not a BYD on. To run a remote actions to minimum, you need helpdesk operator. To remote action must be connected to internet, and it is only supported for Windows devices 10 and later running, right? So what you can do, you can do a list of these actions, like you can do the autopilot reset, BitLocker rotations, collect diagnostics, so rename devices, restart, retire, wipe, everything you can do it, and you can use the operator as well, greater than. So if you want to get the battery health, or let's say for suppose you want to see the encrypted value here, right? So if you just click on here, name the device ID or enrollment profile name, you see the last SIM time, manufacturer, model, and you can run it. You can put the value here and you can run it, and you can also see the result here, ownership. So as soon as you click it here, encryption method as well, where encryption method logs, volume ID, you can define the OS version as well. So everything is, you will see here, build versions, okay, major version, OS versions, patch versions as well. You can query it, but you must be on trial license, or you need to buy this license and must be. I hope you have learned the new things and make use of the device query to get the real time for troubleshooting. Another thing, if you just go to the devices, right, I will show you quickly. And if you go to cert profile, right, so under manage devices you can see the cert profile. So what is the cert profile? You may have seen in your Intune console how you can create a cert profile. So if you have managing your devices, especially for the schools, right, so you can see here select group containing iOS device that student and teacher can use. You can deploy the certificates, and you can select the search here and this and the cards here, and you can also select the classes. So suppose if you want to deploy certain applications, you can create a card profile here. Sorry, I was saying cert profile. So it's card profile, you can create a new card profile and deploy to your school and teachers. Okay, so this is new card profile. Or if you have a school and tenants, since I have, so I can see it. If you don't have the school license, right, the trial license, you can't see this card profile options, and this is only applicable for the school, right, not for in the corporate. I hope you learned these two things. I just want to show you so that you can use, and most probably you may be using the device query to get the. Till then, thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.